Hey guys, welcome back to Martin's diecast review. Today we're going to look at the Hot Wheels Redliners. It's a recent series of the Real Riders. Um, I picked these up about November 29th, I believe. They were at Walmart, not Walmart, I'm sorry. Both of them, because I ended up getting two sets. I got one at Target, and the other one I got at Target in the parking lot, which is funny because I ran into a collector who told me that these were hitting. So he gave me a set, and then ended up getting another one to keep packaged like how I always do. Anyway, so I looked through the cars. I picked out which ones I want to open and which ones I don't want to open. So here's the set that I'm opening. First is the 70 Dodge Charger RT. This is a pretty cool looking casting. I really like these colors on here. And I can tell you right now, these are colors that race grooves would approve. Pretty cool looking car. Overall, I think this whole Redliners series looks pretty good. Very, very nice looking cars. There's a little paint that's smeared up against the card. You can see right there, that little blue there. Pretty cool looking car, I'm not gonna lie. I say really, really liking this series. The wheels on it are pretty cool. It's a little hard to tell because of my bad lighting over here, but overall, I can tell you right now that the whole appearance can't talk right now. Appearance of the car is amazing. Awesome stuff. Up next is the 68 Mercury Cougar. This is another one of those fine models. Now, the wheels on this one, they look cool, but they don't fit the car, in my opinion. The reason I say that is because, well, I mean, if you think of it, it does kind of look like a drift-style car. What is that, the Trans Am Racing that I'm trying to think of right now? Kind of, it might fit into that. But these wheels would probably look better on a Mustang. And it's a very, very nice car overall. I really like the color. A couple of years back, I think I mentioned in my other channel, I ran into a guy who only collects these. He could care less about anything else. He only collects the Mercury Cougars. It's a pretty cool casting overall. Up next is the 69 Corvette Racer. This is the second time this one has appeared. First time being a new 2016 model. So seeing it again, it's awesome. This one looks a lot better. I can tell you that right now. This is actually what the casting looks a lot better. As the previous colors weren't that cool, but it was alright. This one's better. Pretty cool wheels there. Really like when the rims kind of match the car. Makes it look awesome. Very, very cool. Decals look awesome. Very, very nice casting overall. And then we got a little bit of something on the wheel here. Looks like it possibly could be glue from when they packaged the vehicle. Next is the 68 Copo Camaro. This one's actually one of my favorite castings. I should have picked more up. I had a chance one day when people kept taking all the gassers. They left a lot of these extras behind. Should have picked them up. I might actually pick up another charger for the wheels. Those wheels look really cool. I think I can put them on another model. Another Dodge model, and they would look very, very nice. Pretty cool. Really like this. This one actually has like a throwback classic look to it. It's amazing. Really, really like this one. This one actually has very, very cool wheels on it. That would be perfect on a lot of other vehicles. But it's overall, I say this series is 101 out of 100. I'm kidding. I really, quite honestly, this is probably at least 110% out of 50. Let's just say that. They went really good with this. Very satisfied. All the models here are realistic. That's one thing that collectors want. The other thing is all the colors are perfect. Nothing wild. Nothing too crazy. The models don't look crazy at all. You know, they're not going to be putting in these little cars with big, huge rims that are bigger than the car. So, really, people at Hot Wheels, car culture, real writers, all that stuff, they worked on it all together, put it in all nicely, and all the models came out nicely. Very amazing job. And the last is the 55 Bel Air Gasser. This is a casting that everybody wants. And I've seen one guy had like 20 of these already, so I don't want to know how, but this is one of those popular castings. I for one like it. I think it's a great casting ever since it came out. It was just amazing. I believe I have every release of it except for the treasure hunt or the super treasure hunt and the currently the Target exclusive ones. But I think I have every variation of this casting already. If not, I'm gonna find out later on. Eventually, I want to organize my whole collection by make and model. So it'd be pretty cool eventually if I had someone said, "Hey, can you do a variation video on the Gasser?" I could say, "Okay, go to my Chevy section, go to my Bel Air section, go to my Gasser section, and it should be all there." I want everything organized so I can find it when I need to find it. But anyway, this is actually pretty cool casting. The colors on it are a little bit wild, but they're not too wild. They're very, very good. The wheel combination on here is perfect. And overall, this casting really sells itself off the shelves. Really, really liking this one actually. If I hopefully I could find some more. It would be very nice. I like the metal flake paint. You could kind of see it shining in there. It's awesome. Really like when they make shiny paint like this. I don't know if it's me or is the rear wheel kind of. Overall, like I said, I'm very satisfied with this set. If you haven't found them, take a look at your stores, Walmart, Target, Toys R Us, whoever carries Real Riders. And they should be hanging on the pegs. You might not find the gas, or you might find it. It all depends on who collects in your area and how the area is. I have a lot of scalpers in my area, so it's very, very hard to find certain things like this. Luckily, there are other collectors out there who are very kind enough to help each other out. And I was able to get one set, and then after he let me know about it, I went and found another set so I could have one boxed and one opened up for display. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this little quick review, actually it wasn't so quick, my fault, I like to talk. Have a good day, bye bye.